Hey guys, today talking again about the triple scale. So I know some of you brewers, you bought a kit, you wanted to brew beer, you got a free triple scale in the kit. I mean, you paid for it, but it was in there. What I wanted to talk about was the difference between our precision sets and these triple scales. The triple scales, they have what they call potential alcohol scale on them, which is just really a guesstimate as to what you're gonna have. The best way to do that is with specific gravity. You take your original reading when you're brewing, you take your final reading, a little bit of math, and it will give you your alcohol content of your beer. So there's so many cool things that you guys can get into checking if you just have the right tools. So get on our website, check them out. Maybe it's time to upgrade. You can buy just a single tool, or you can grid it in one of these awesome racks. Get on there, check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, bradyinstruments.com, like us on Facebook, Instagram, share our posts. We love you guys. Thanks.